Hi, good morning. I'm now at Taman Alam, Kuala Selangor.
Hi, Vincent!
Hello everyone, today I'm going to Kuala Selangor Nature Park. Kuala Selangor Nature Park, also called Kuala Selangor Taman Alam, is located near the Kuala Selangor town. At the Kuala Selangor town, there's a main bank. On the road, turning left, heading all the way to Jalan Klinik, you will reach to the gate of this Taman Alam Kuala Selangor. At the back of the nature park, there's a big swamp area. You can visit there, walking around the swamp area. Also can go to the mangrove boardwalk. If you start the journey from Subang Jaya, there's 3 ways to reach there. First one will be 69 km, taking 1 hour journey. The second option will take about 72 km, about 1 hour and 4 minutes. The third option is 63 km, and it will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now at Taman Alam, Kuala Selangor. I'll be coming here for birding with Alan to join me. The entrance fees per person is 4 ringgit. Please do not give human food to the wild monkey. As you can see, the monkey is quite naughty. Whoa, oops! You see this Archie? He's trying to chase the monkey away. Today here the weather is very nice. Not so hot and not so bright now. And you can see inside here is big, look cooling. But one thing, there's a lot of mosquito. So if you come here, you better don't forget to bring your insect repeller. If not, it will be a lot of mosquito chasing. It's a lot and it's very big. There are easily 50 mosquito on my leg. So you can see a lot. Alright, that's how we park here. We walk in where there's a lot of mosquito. And now we come to the bridge here. Okay, there's a swamp area and there's a circle for walking. We'll walk this direction. This is the river and the bridge. We have crossed over. There's someone looking at us. Where? Where is it? Quiet and don't move. Wow, I pity this mudfish. At least 6 or 7 mosquitoes on his head. Be careful of this tree. It is toxic and it could chase your eye blind. Its leaf contain green and red color as shown in the picture. Here is the entrance to the mangrove walkway. We stop at the gazebo to cook our lunch. lizard. After we had our lunch, we continue our journey. Okay, now is 11 something. Now I'm at this mangrove tree area. As you say, here it is important because there are many birds, but Island Island cannot spot much bird here. Even just now when we come in, also don't have much, but only can capture some lizard, some crab, some mudfish. But this place is quite good for enjoy walking, taking a brief air, very fresh air here. You can smell the air freshness, and it's different from the city. To walk in this concrete path is like a big U shape. The concrete path is quite long, quite far in. It takes about another half hour to reach the car park area. Other than the nature park, there's a lighthouse and a historical place just beside on top of the hill as shown at the drone. So I hope you enjoy watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much. Goodbye.